Hi guys, today I'm making Hungarian Tart, also known as jam tart or Krummel Tert. In a bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar and mix it together until smooth and creamy. Then add in the egg, vanilla and baking powder and mix it together well. Add in the flour a little at a time, mixing well after each addition. Once all the flour has been incorporated, it should form a soft but not sticky dough. Divide the dough into 2 portions. Place 1/3 of the dough onto a piece of cling film, wrap it loosely, then flatten it and place it into the freezer. Place the remaining dough into a greased baking dish and spread it out evenly. Use your fingertips to make several indents into the dough. Then add on your jam and spread it out using the back of a spoon or a spatula. Use the side of the grater with the larger holes and grate over the reserved dough. Neaten up the dough and spread it out to fill in any gaps. Add on the optional sprinkling of coconut, then bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove it from the oven and while it's still hot, use a sharp knife to cut it into smaller pieces. Allow it to cool completely in the pan, and then it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!